Hey guys, welcome back to EDC Gunner's channel. I'm EDC Gunner, your host, and today I'm gonna show you just a brief video because I did a full review of these watches. You can check it out on my channel and just do a search EDC Gunner Bullhead, Seiko Bullhead, and you will find it. But I just want to show you, I have two bullheads. The one is the iconic, the brown configuration, and one is black with the yellow hands. And just wanted to show you the Seiko Bullhead. If you don't know, they because of these pushers on top, they remind of a bull, and that's why, hence the nickname. This one is black with the blue subdials, and this one is probably the most iconic, one of the most iconic Seikos of all time. And this just shows you back in the days they did not care. Care too much about sales figures. Of course everyone does, and even now, even me, even you, but they were a bit more loose with their designs and creative stuff. So I don't know whose idea was to create a chronograph like this, but I'm glad it was someone's, and I'm glad they did. This watch is not very practical and comfy to wear in the wrist, because you know how it looks. This is, first of all, too thick. This is very thick. Let me just check how thick it is. Yeah, it's 15. Well, that's not that much. Anyways, I love it because it has a nice configuration, and this is just an icon. If you're a collector, watch collector, I don't care if you're collecting Rolexes or whatnot, I just want to see the 6138 as the reference here. And don't care if you're collecting Rolexes or whatnot, you add one of these to your collection and your collection will be on another level, because these watches may not cost as much. Well, actually nowadays they are not that cheap also, but they used to be a bit more affordable, but they may not cost like Omegas and Rolexes, but they do have a place in the horological history of these watches, because these are some of the first automatic chronographs ever, and due to its shape, these are very cool and iconic. So thank you for watching. Just wanted to make a quick video. Thank you guys. I'm EDC Gunner, and if you like what I do, please give me a thumbs up and find me on Instagram, because I had a channel terminated on a false counterfeit claim, and only guys, I got it back because of the support of you wonderful people on Instagram. So thank you guys.